All right, in this example, we're going to interpret the shape of a skewed data display. So customers of a bagel shop complained that some bagels weigh less than the amount on the label. A quality control manager randomly sampled 30 bagels and weighed them. Based on this sample, is a change in the process for making bagels warranted? So let's look at the data. Is it symmetrical? Is it skewed right? Is it skewed left? Those are the things we want to kind of think about when we look at the data. And we can see that this is skewed to the left. When data is skewed to the left, that means that the mean is going to be less than the median. Remember, the mean is the average number. In this case, the average weight of the bagels. The median is the very middle weight. And then they give us some data. The mean weight is 87.7 grams and the median weight is 90 grams. So the mean is less than the median. But one thing to look at also, if we're talking all the bagels, this person only sampled 30 bagels. So when you have smaller sample sizes, it's hard to get good information about that. If you have a bigger sample size, then your data is a little bit more reliable. But because the mean of the sample is less than the advertised weight, the quality control manager wants to recommend some changes to the production process. However, instead of making just a straight call like, oh, we got to change how we do things, you want to look at the sample size. The sample size was only 30, so the manager decides to generate another random sample. And this time, he or she will choose more than 30 bagels just to get a better, more representative feel for how this data is. And then we've got another question. Customers of a bagel shop complain that some of the bagels weigh less than the amount on the label. So same example, a quality control manager randomly sampled 30 bagels and weighed them. So this is, I didn't put the question on here. So same thing. So the question is, here, I'll type it in real quick. So the follow-up question, just to make sure we're understanding, how do the skewed data affect the mean in this context? Because our graph had the data skewed to the left, it will reduce the mean. If it had skewed to the right, it would increase the mean. So skewed to the left reduces the mean of your data.